Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WinRAR on Windows 11. Whether you're looking to zip files, extract compressed folders, or just open .rar files, this tool is a must-have. Let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and navigate to this site. I will put the link in the description box below for easy access. That's the official site from the creators of WinRAR, so no shady downloads here. Once you're on the site, you will see two big buttons at the top, one saying Buy WinRAR and another one says Download WinRAR. We are going to click on Download WinRAR. This gives you the free trial version, which works just like the full one. Throughout this process, even during installation or when opening the app later, you might see pop-ups asking you to buy WinRAR or reminding you your trial is over. Here's the thing. WinRAR keeps working fine even after the trial ends. It's basically on the honor system. You can use it as long as you want and it won't block any features. Alright, once the installer file is downloaded, double-click the file to run the installer. Now the WinRAR setup window is open. You will see the destination folder where it's going to be installed. You can leave it as is unless you have specific folder in mind. Go ahead and click the install button. On the next screen, we can choose what file types WinRAR should handle. By default, everything is checked. I will leave it as is. WinRAR wants to handle all the formats, kind of like that one friend who insists they are good at everything. But hey, in this case, it actually is. You will also see some interface options like Add WinRAR to desktop, Add WinRAR to start menu, Create WinRAR program group. I suggest checking the first two, they are handy. Now hit OK and then click Done on the next screen. And boom, just like that, WinRAR is installed. This is the main WinRAR window. You can browse through your folders directly from here. But let me show you how to use it the easy way, right from the File Explorer. I have got a zip file here in my Downloads folder. Let's extract it. Right-click the file, select WinRAR. You will see options like Open with WinRAR. This opens the file in WinRAR where you can preview it before extracting. Extract files. With this, you can choose exactly where to extract the contents and even set a password if needed. Extract to. This creates a folder and extracts the contents into it. Extract here. This unzips the contents in the same folder. Let's click Extract to. And just like that, the files are neatly placed inside a new folder. Now let's quickly create an archive too. Select a few files, right-click, select WinRAR, and choose Add to Archive. This window lets you choose the archive format. RAR is WinRAR's native format, great for compression and password protection. ZIP is more universal and works with almost every system. I would go with ZIP unless you need advanced features. Hit OK and boom, archive created. And that's it. You have now got WinRAR fully set up and ready to zip, unzip and archive like a pro on Windows 11. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.